Yana got a new car, guys. Look. It's so nice. Open the door so I can show them. Ooh, 2022 updated. Wait, hold on. Look at the door. She don't know nothing about this. I told her. They got a sunroof. Look at the back seat. This is so nice, Kiana.
Where the GPS?
I'm the biggest freak that he's seen thus far. Got the fattest box, white tees, no bra. Call them other bitches for the hugs and the kisses. When I come around, it's going down like bitches. Tell the dope boys, come holla at my crew. Deep throw to make them say yabba dabba doo. Rockin' to a knock.
Hey y'all, so we on our way to, where we going?
We're going to Amina. It's a black-owned restaurant in Philadelphia.
We're going to Amina and then we're going to strip club with my boyfriend. So yeah.
We have 9 o'clock reservations with a 15-minute grace period. So we have to hurry up. It's currently 9 o'clock. And we are 12
Cause she hungry, cause she feel like she can't eat without drinking.
Y'all saw
all
what
that.
The last vlog.
Oh yeah, the last vlog, yeah. We still ain't get the story time about that. That was crazy. But no, I'm about to tell him right now. She freaking turned it down. She freaking got drunk or whatever, and she fell. She got drunk cause she was drinking clear and brown, and she fell, and her dress came up. Mind you, it was already beef in the club. It was already static in the club because we was in New York. We was in New York. We was in Brooklyn.
And we was popping bottles.
We was popping bottles, and my boyfriend was buying bottles. It was my birthday or whatever. So the guys across from us, they was in the section, and they had like one bottle, and it was like 50 of them. And so I guess my boyfriend said like they was eyeing us and stuff or whatever. Like, come on. I didn't even peep. None of this was going on. So he kept calling me, rushing me like, come on, like, let's go, whatever. It's too much going on. Y'all need to hurry up. So I guess Kiki fell. And the guy was looking at her butt or something, and my boyfriend was like, yo, mind your business or something. Like, he's trying to protect Kiana, which child, anyway.
It's another story,
yeah.
Right?
He's trying to protect her or whatever, so they start beefing. And in the midst of me trying to get Kiki in the car, I don't know, she kept falling and stuff. And then, long story short, they came up to the driver's side where my boyfriend was at, and they start talking to him, and they was in his face, and they gonna back and forth. Kiki was sitting on my lap, so somebody, like, from this window, the window was down so she could throw up. Mind you, I'm not dumb, like, I know, but I had the window down because we had a rental so she could throw up. And the guy just came through the window, strangled her, and punched me in my face. My mouth was bleeding. Kiana, he strangled her, and then he was shaking her, like trying to choke her, whatever. He was trying to like really deal with her, but he peeped like, oh, she drunk. Like, it's nothing I can really do with her. Like, she don't even feel it.
Remind y'all, I don't even know this man.
She didn't know. We don't know him. We don't know what happened. We don't know why they was arguing. We don't know nothing. And then I told her the next morning. She like, what? I got punched. I
didn't remember anything.
What?
Like,
what happened? She didn't even know she got. No, she didn't know she got strangled. She didn't know nothing. I'm like, yes. Like, how you don't know? She's like, I was so drunk. I'll never do that again. So we learned our lesson.
Yes,
and we learned.
And it's New Year's Eve, and I know not to make it today.
Yes,
I'm only on
she's
brown tonight. I'm only on brown tonight. Well, no, I'm on clear. I'm on clear tonight. I'm on clear.
Yeah, we gotta make sure she good. But yeah, that's the story time what happened in New York. My mouth, like, I could think he cut my, like, my lip with the bracers or something, and it was like bleeding. I was like, oh my god, he punched me in the mouth. So the dudes that was in the back, my boyfriend friends, they're like, get out, let me get out. Like, they're trying to fight. There was a lot going on. So he dropped himself back to the car, spent the block. They left. Like, they didn't want to fight. They left. That's what my boyfriend said. He said they was going when he pulled up, and we just took that L. So we pulled up back to the hotel, drunk. My boyfriend outside yelling and screaming outside of the hotel, trying to figure out, because the security guard told him, I don't know, remember, we was in Brooklyn or Harlem, but the security guard told him, like, yo, like, they GGG out here. I know if it's GGG, I don't know what it is. He's like, you gotta watch your back, be careful, whatever. But we gonna let bygones be bygones. But I'm gonna talk to y'all when we start turning up.
Bye,
New
y'all.
Year, prospering, doing bigger, better. Not going into the New Year sloppy, drunk, none of that.
Yes, what's your resolutions? Let's tell them our resolutions before you stop
my arm hurt.
Stop the vlog. What is your resolution, Deja?
My New Year resolution is I want to start my business, close my whole business for sure, and to just be more persistent and not lazy, a better job in the midst of the business, all that. Like, just do better, be better, more responsible, because I'm growing up. I'm about to be a I'm a grown-ass woman, so just a lot of growth. I just want to see a lot more growth. What about you?
My New Year's resolution is to, the first one would be to, the first one is to lose weight. I need to tone this body all. And the second resolution is to also start a business, because I am 25 and it's like time is not waiting for me, like at all. And
time don't wait for nobody.
So the two New Year's resolutions that I'm going to stick with this year is to lose weight and start a business. That's it. Yeah. I'm already on my work and shit. I get the money, but we gonna lose weight and start this business. That's what we gonna do.
All right, y'all. Talk to y'all later.
Nigga making threats, it's a bet I send my bloodhound barking at his house. Them summer nights can even turn cold. In the streets of Philly where niggas don't even get to turn old. My heart coming to a turn gold.
Birthday, Sheila Garner, severe happy birthday. Pressure from the lead stage.
Is that clock ticking? Is it ticking? He threw up, y'all. He threw up.
That was so fucking cute.
Ted trying to get our ride.